I adapt to what my client or my customer needs. I want to service them and give them what they're looking for and help them find what they need. I find it to be a service business. I don't consider myself a salesperson. I'm not pushing, I'm not selling anything. People I deal with know what they want, and I'm here to give them great service and deliver. I like the process to be very natural, very comfortable. I don't want it to be stuffy, like some kind of uptight procedure. I like to be friends with the people. I want them to feel as if I'm their friend, their brother, their cousin. They could be very open and tell me what they want and what they need with full confidence. And I also take referrals very, very seriously. Primarily, I'd say 98% on referrals. So, you know, just to do the best job, I want the person to be as happy as possible and just deliver. It's about making the client satisfied, getting them exactly what they want. That's what it's about. I'm Joseph Guerrero, and let me help you find your spot